What you should know about debt. Hello and welcome to today's video on what you should know about debt. In this video, we will be discussing what debt is, the different types of debt, and how it can impact your financial health. Debt is essentially an amount of money borrowed from a lender, usually with the agreement to pay it back with interest. This borrowed money can be used for various reasons, such as buying a house, a car, or even just to cover everyday expenses. While debt can be a useful financial tool, it's essential to understand that it comes with both advantages and disadvantages. Types of debt. There are many different types of debt, but the most common ones include credit card debt. This is debt that's accrued by using a credit card to make purchases, and not paying the balance off in full each month. Personal loans. This is debt that's taken out for a specific purpose, such as to consolidate debt or pay for a big purchase. Student loans. This is debt that's used to pay for college tuition and related expenses. Mortgages. This is debt that's used to purchase a home. Impact of debt. Debt can have a significant impact on your financial health. One of the main impacts of debt is the interest charges that come with it. This can add up quickly, making it difficult to pay off the debt, and it can also have a negative impact on your credit score. Another impact of debt is the stress and anxiety that comes with it. Debt can make you feel like you're trapped in a never-ending cycle of payments, which can be overwhelming. Managing debt. Managing debt is essential to ensure that it doesn't become a burden. Here are some tips to help manage debt. Create a budget. This will help you to manage your finances and ensure that you're not overspending. Pay off high-interest debt first. This will help to reduce the amount of interest that you're paying, which can save you money in the long run. Don't take on more debt than you can handle. It's important to only take on debt that you can comfortably afford to repay. Consider debt consolidation. If you have multiple debts with high interest rates, consolidating them into one loan with a lower interest rate can help you save money on interest charges. Seek professional advice. If you're struggling to manage your debt, seek advice from a financial advisor or credit counselor. They can help you to develop a plan to get your debt under control. In conclusion, debt can be a useful tool when managed correctly, but it can also be a burden if not managed properly. It's essential to understand the different types of debt, the impact it can have on your financial health, and how to manage it effectively. By following the tips outlined in this video, you can take control of your debt and improve your financial well-being. We hope you have found this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel to not miss our videos on money tips, and thank you for watching.